So let's have a look to see what's contained within your ArchBridge kit. ArchBridge is our new horizontal scan body system designed for full arch restoration. Inside the kit, along the top, we have 10 unique scan bodies. These are all different in size and shape, giving you a variety of scan bodies for you to place onto your MUAs during the scanning appointment. They are simple to use and very, very easy to scan. Along the bottom, you have 6 Vortex screws. These are used to attach the scan body to the MUA, along with your Vortex driver. The last part of the kit are 6 scan analogues, which you can use to allow you to scan accurately 360-degree scans of your temporary restoration. They simply screw into the base of the temporary cylinders using the screw from your implant system. All in all, it's a very simple kit, and to get to your final bridge in a simple, efficient and affordable manner, all you need is this plus your iOS.